We're going to start off by opening Final Cut Pro. I've already got footage in the timeline ready to use, so next we're going to take the green screen footage and drag it into the timeline above the video clip. Once you've done this, you need to cut it down to the part that you want to use and mute the volume of the clip. Head over to Effects and select the Keyer tool. Drag and drop it onto the green screen and you're done. Like with Final Cut Pro, you need to drag your green screen into the timeline and place it above the video clip. Then crop it to the part that you want to use and mute the volume. Once you've done that, make sure you have the clip selected and then head over to Overlay Settings and you want to select the green/blue screen option. For the tutorial on a phone, I'm using an app called Pocket Video on my iPhone. You want to open up the video timeline and select the clip that you want to add a green screen to. Next, select Video Stick and Add. If you go onto YouTube and type green screen in, you'll be able to find some examples, or if you type my name in, you'll find the Alicia Marie ones that I made. Once you've found a clip, select it and wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, you want to select Mask followed by Green Screen.